Welcome to this complete Verona, Italy guide. Nestled in the northern part of Italy, Verona is a city steeped in history and romance. It's a place where the old and new converge in a beautiful dance, telling tales of centuries past. From ancient Roman ruins to the legendary home of Shakespeare's star-crossed lovers, Verona is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Today we're exploring the top 10 must-visit places in this captivating city. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the charming streets of Verona. First on our list is the Arena di Verona, a Roman amphitheater in Piazza Bra. This grand structure, with its awe-inspiring architecture, is a testament to the mastery of the Romans. Built in the 1st century, it once hosted gladiator games and other public spectacles. Today, it stands as one of the best preserved ancient structures of its kind in the world. The arena's elliptical shape, designed to give every spectator a clear view of the stage, is a marvel of ancient engineering. Its sandstone walls, worn by time, tell stories of a time long past but not forgotten. In the present day, the echoes of gladiators have been replaced by the harmonious notes of opera. Every summer, the arena transforms into a grand stage for the Verona Opera Festival, attracting thousands of music lovers from across the globe. The Arena di Verona is truly a testament to Verona's rich history and vibrant culture. This majestic monument, where the past and present converge, is a must-visit for any traveler. Next, we visit Juliet's house, or Casa di Giulietta, a place that has captured the hearts of many. Nestled in the heart of Verona, this 13th century house is a beacon for hopeless romantics, and for good reason. It's believed to be the home of the Capulet family from Shakespeare's timeless tragedy, Romeo and Juliet. Now, let's talk about the balcony. The famous balcony scene where Juliet ponders, "Wherefore art thou, Romeo?" has made this piece of architecture an iconic symbol of romantic love. Just imagine Juliet pining for her Romeo from this very spot. Then there's the tradition of leaving love notes. Visitors scribble messages of love and stick them on the walls of the courtyard, hoping, perhaps, for some of Juliet's luck in love. The romantic allure of Juliet's house continues to enchant visitors from all over the world. It's a testament to the enduring power of love and the timeless appeal of Shakespeare's star-crossed lovers. We now find ourselves in Piazza delle Erbe, the oldest square in Verona. This bustling marketplace is teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry of locals haggling over fresh produce, tourists marveling at the assortment of trinkets, and street artists adding a touch of color to the lively scene. Surrounding this vibrant heart of the city, you'll find an eclectic mix of buildings, each one whispering tales of the city's rich history. From medieval townhouses to grand Renaissance palaces, these architectural gems form a stunning backdrop to the square's daily hustle and bustle. And then there's the Fountain of Madonna Verona, the square's crowning jewel. Its elegant statue, dating back to Roman times, stands as a silent sentinel over the square, a symbol of the city's enduring charm. As the water dances around her, she seems to breathe life into the piazza, making it more than just a marketplace, a living, breathing piece of Verona's heart. Piazza delle Erbe is a lively and picturesque spot that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Verona. Our journey continues to the Castelvecchio Museum and then to the Verona Cathedral. Nestled on the banks of the Adige River, the Castelvecchio Museum stands as a testament to Verona's medieval past. This imposing fortress, with its red brick towers and a grand arched bridge, is a marvel of military architecture. Yet within its robust walls, it shelters an exquisite collection of Renaissance art. From here, our imaginary footsteps lead us through hallways adorned with sculptures and frescoes that whisper tales of yesteryears. Every corner we turn reveals another treasure, from medieval jewelry to ancient weaponry. The museum's vast collection spans centuries, allowing us to trace the evolution of art and culture from the Roman era to the 18th century. Now let's take a moment to admire the fortress itself. The Castelvecchio, or Old Castle, was built in the 14th century by the Scaliger family. Its robust structure, designed to protect Verona from invaders, now safeguards some of the city's most precious art. A fine example of how beauty and strength can coexist, don't you think? Next, we make our way to the Verona Cathedral, another gem in this city's crown. The cathedral, or Duomo, is a delightful blend of architectural styles reflecting the city's rich history. The Romanesque facade, punctuated by Gothic embellishments, draws our gaze upwards, only to be further captivated by the intricate frescoes adorning the ceiling inside. As we wander through the cathedral, each chapel reveals a new marvel. The frescoes by Renaissance artist Falconetto, the ornate altars, the beautifully carved choir stalls all speak volumes of Verona's artistic prowess. And let's not forget the cathedral's most famous resident, Titian's Assumption of the Virgin, a masterpiece that leaves visitors spellbound. So whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of beautiful things, the Castelvecchio Museum and the Verona Cathedral have something to offer you. Both the Castelvecchio Museum and the Verona Cathedral are shining examples of Verona's artistic heritage. Now let's cross the ancient Ponte Pietra and head to the serene Giardino Giusti. The Ponte Pietra, meaning stone bridge, is a testament to Verona's rich history, dating back to the Roman era. The bridge, with its arches of varying shapes and sizes, has stood the test of time, surviving wars and floods. It's more than just a crossing over the Adige River, it's a journey through the centuries. Its worn stones, warmed by the Italian sun, seem to hum with the countless stories they've witnessed. As you walk across, the view is breathtaking, a picturesque panorama of Verona's cityscape, a sight that has inspired artists and poets for generations. After this journey through history, we find ourselves stepping into the tranquility of Giardino Giusti, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the city. This 16th century Italian Renaissance garden is a haven of peace and serenity. One can't help but feel a sense of calm wash over them as they wander through the carefully manicured hedges, past the ancient statues standing guard, and under the towering cypress trees that reach towards the sky. The garden is a living work of art, a perfect harmony of nature and human design. The labyrinthine paths lead to unexpected discoveries, from the grotto with its playful trickling water feature to the belvedere, offering a stunning view of the city. It's easy to lose track of time in this green oasis, where the only sounds are the rustling of leaves and the gentle chirping of birds. As you meander through the Giardino Giusti, you may find yourself reflecting on the beauty of existence, or perhaps contemplating the mysteries of life. Or maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself doing nothing at all, simply basking in the quiet splendor of this tranquil retreat. The combination of history and nature at Ponte Pietra and Giardino Giusti provides a unique experience for every visitor. After all, isn't that what travel is all about? Discovering new places, immersing oneself in different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Our final stops are the magnificent Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore and the towering Torre dei Lamberti. The Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore, named after Verona's patron saint, is a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture. Its beauty is not merely skin-deep, it's a veritable treasure trove of art and history. The bronze doors, for instance, are a marvel to behold. Cast in the 11th century, they depict scenes from the Old and New Testaments in exquisite detail. Inside, the basilica is as much a gallery as a place of worship. The majestic altarpiece, known as the San Zeno altarpiece, was painted by Andrea Mantegna in the 15th century and is regarded as a masterpiece of Italian Renaissance art. But it's not just about art and architecture here. The basilica is steeped in legend, including tales of miracles performed by Saint Zeno himself. Now, let's shift our gaze upward to the Torre dei Lamberti. This imposing structure stands at an impressive 84 meters, making it the tallest tower in Verona. A climb to the top is well worth the effort. The panoramic views of Verona from the viewing platform are simply breathtaking. From here, you can see all the way to the rolling hills of Valpolicella, and on a clear day, even as far as Lake Garda. The Torre dei Lamberti is more than just a vantage point, though. It's a silent witness to Verona's history. Built in the 12th century by the powerful Lamberti family, the tower has seen the rise and fall of dynasties, endured fires and survived earthquakes, yet it stands tall, a testament to the resilience and enduring charm of Verona. With their captivating history and stunning views, the Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore and Torre dei Lamberti are the perfect finale to our Verona journey. And that, my friends, concludes our tour of Verona. Our journey took us from the historic Arena di Verona to the romantic Juliet's house. We sauntered through Piazza delle Erbe, admired the art at Castelvecchio Museum, and marveled at the Verona Cathedral. We crossed the Ponte Pietra, relaxed in Giardino Giusti, and wrapped up at the Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore, and Torre dei Lamberti. Each place a testament to Verona's rich history and culture. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Verona. Until next time, arrivederci.